Hey guys, so we're going to make this picture here using the process I taught you guys in class. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up a new tab, and I want you to search something like logo, and we'll go to images and we'll find a logo of our choice. It just has to be a simple logo, even something like this will work. Something that's simple works best. We're going to file, save image as, and we're going to save that image to our computer. Let's call this one image 1. And I've saved it into my pictures folder on the computer. Hit save. Now I'm going to go back to Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to go up to the top here where it says File. I'm going to go down to Place, and I'm going to find that image that I just saved. There it is. You'll see it's attached to my mouse now, but if I click on the screen, it will appear on the screen. Now, I'm not worried that it's over the top of my other art because I can move it in a moment. But what I want to do first is I want to go up here to Image Trace, and you'll notice it has traced my image but has lost some of the detail to my image. So I'm going to change the preset up the top here from default. I'm going to choose low fidelity, but really it doesn't matter which one you choose. You can go through and click as many different ones as you like, and you should find something that you like. If it's got color in it, quite often low fidelity is best, but if it's black and white, you can probably go silhouette or black and white logo. Okay, once I found one that I like out of the presets, then I can click expand. And you'll notice now that all these parts of the object have now just become available. I'm going to click my white mouse, click off my image, then click just the background of my image and delete that. So now I have my image. If I go back to my black mouse, now I have my image without any background. I can shrink it down and maybe zoom in. I might get rid of, for example, the letters, but maybe I don't want the letters. Maybe I want to put different letters underneath. Okay. There we go. That's how you bring an image into Adobe Illustrator.